In the 11 nursing skills training for caregivers and healthcare assistants today is the last and final skill, which is IV therapy. Quick disclaimer lang now, we are fully aware na caregivers are not allowed to insert needles and cannulas, labi na sa abroad na mga hospital and facilities. Pwede ka makasuhan if imuhang buhaton ang dili nimo scope. During our OJT sa hospital as well, ang doctor or the nurse lang ang allowed mag-insert. We were, however, allowed to remove ang katong heplock. Pero diri sa atong nasod daw guys, ang ginaingon is because of understaffing, some nursing assistants may be allowed daw to insert with the guidance of a nurse. Mao na ako nadungog nga chismis ha, pero wala pa jud ko naka-witness o caregiver or nursing assistant nga nag-insert. So I guess depende ra gina sa facility, but once again sa abroad gyud di gyud ka pwede mo lapas sa imong scope of responsibilities kay pwede ka kasuhan. Kay tinuod man pod, if it's not your role, not your responsibility, wa nimo ni studyhan, dili nimo buhaton. In the training today, there are 3 registered nurses with clinical experience nga mag-guide ug assist sa mua. So we took the chance to train and to have a hands-on experience na mag-insert og IV. Kay ginatudloan na gud may, so might as well grab the opportunity na pang practice og pang experience lang ni guys. Tapos mag-DIY gluta na daw. Ma-recommend yun ako ning Amsay guys, kay kompleto gid sila equipment para kamutanan makaisa-isa mo og experience. Di mo mahutdan o dili taman sa imagination makagbuhat jud mo.